it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts, UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today I have this little project using one of the lovely new stamp sets, Dandelion Wishes. I love it. It's so pretty. And at this time of the year, dandelions are everywhere around us, and they're doing all this clock business. So I thought this was a really, really appropriate stamp set to use now. So, not that it wouldn't be appropriate to use it any other time, because it would. So, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need is a brain. I'm filming this quite early in the morning, and I seem to have left my brain in bed this morning. So, first thing we need is some very vanilla cardstock. This is cut to my usual small size mat. So, usual stuff. The dimensions, that's the word I'm looking for, will be in the blog post, which is linked below. So that's all easy stuff. I've got a soft suede mat, and this is the nice, lovely new, my brain's gone, and I can't find the ink pad, even more exciting. Petal Pink, the new Petal Pink, which is one of the brand new colours. And I'm also using the pink and silver twine and some of the lovely artisan pearls, which are actually from the Share What You Love suite, but the pink goes beautifully. So let's start. So really quick, famous last words with me, really quick card. So this is a very new ink pad to me, and it's a bit stiff this morning. I think it's more my hands. So I've got the Big Flourish dandelion. I'm just going to ink that up, and slightly up from the bottom, sort of middle-ish actually, pop that down, and there we are. Lovely. Then actually, while I've got that out, I need a liner for the inside, and I'm going to just stamp up in the corner the little flourish. So that is now done. So, soft suede, and I'm using the same sentiment, sending well wishes your way, and it tucks in really nicely. Am I absolutely on camera? Just about. Tucks in really nicely just underneath, like that. And that's all the stamping that we're doing. So this is a really quick card. And then some of this lovely pink, white and silver baker's twine. It's 2 bits of baker's twine, so white and colour, then bound together with silver. It's quite a chunky twine, so you don't need a huge amount of it, and you get masses, and I mean masses. So all I'm going to do, having been bow challenged a few times this week, is not bother with a bow. I'm going to tie a knot, because knots are just as good sometimes. I'll probably be knot challenged now. There we go. Hurrah. And then just trim my ends. Actually, let's pull them together. If you pull them together, then they're the same length, which is, you know, not a bad idea. There we go. Now all we've got to do is put the whole thing together. So I've matted up, I've dimensionalised, if that's a word, it is now, my very vanilla piece. So let's just pop dimensions down. So I do 3 up the side, 2 in the middle, and that kind of gives it enough support to go through the post, which is the important bit. Hopefully this will go through as a standard letter in the UK, but if not, if you're worried about that, then just take the dimension bit out and it will fit perfectly. Oh, done that one. And that one, so this is the last one. Right, soft suede matte. Here we go, just a very narrow mat. And then, I don't know if I'm going to have enough glue, but actually, first things first. First things first. Let's fold our card base. So this is just a sheet of A4 that's been cut in half and scored down the middle. So nothing tricky there. And so let's hope I've got some glue in here. If not, we will not be using glue. Oh, yep, just enough. Because you do not need much. It's a very good glue. It's not mostly water. It's mostly glue. I will not, however, use glue on the inside. I don't like using glue when the surface that I'm sticking is either the Whisper White or the very vanilla kind of basic stamping card, because it does sometimes leave a, not a mark, it's just a bit of a, well, a bit of a something. Right. Okay, so the finishing touch, if I can find my piercing tool, which was here just now, there it is buried, is one of these lovely pearls right in the middle. And there we go. Let's clear the decks a bit so you can see what we've made. Two really pretty little cards. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Do take a look at Dandelion Wishes. It's a really lovely set. It's got some lovely sentiments. I think it's a bit hidden. It makes some really, really pretty cards. You can do it in silhouette. You can do it in colour. So I think I'm going to be having great fun with this. Super sentiments, sending well wishes your way. Wishes for a lifetime of love and happiness, and I made a wish and you came true. So it's ideal for all sorts of occasions, but as I say, I think a really pretty set. So do take a look at it in the new catalogue. All the details are in the blog post, which is linked immediately below. There's also a link to my social media. It's a Linktree link. So if you click on that, you'll get all my social media links, including my online store. You can shop either from there, or you can go over to my blog and there's a shop option there, and of course I will list all of the things I've used over there. So thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I will see you again very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye!